Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 22. The equation of the line through the points 4, 2 and minus 8, minus 2 is 3y is equals to px plus q. Where p and q are constants, find the value of p, a1, b2, c3 and d9. So we're given the equation of this line to be 3y is equals to px plus q. Therefore, y is equals to px all over 3 plus q all over 3. Now, this is the equation of this line. Remember, equation of a line is given as y is equals to mx plus c. Now, this m here represents the gradient. That means on this equation of the line given to us now, m is equals to p all over 3. Now, this c here represents the intercept. And that is what the intercept here, c is equals to q all over 3. But now we are asked to find what? P. So to find p, we simply would find the gradient, and then from that we can get p. Now to get the gradient of this line, m is equals to gradient y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, and this is equal to, now looking at this, our x1 is 4 and our x2 is minus 8, our y1 is 2 and our y2 is minus 2. So therefore we have y2 which is minus 2 minus y1 which is 2 all over x2 minus 8 minus x1 which is 4 minus 4. So this is equals to minus 4 all over minus 12. Minus we cancel minus 4 here, 1, 4 in 12, 3. So this is equals to 1 over 3. So meaning that m is equals to 1 all over 3, which is equals to p over 3. Therefore p is equals to 1. This is this numerator here, that is p. So p is equals to 1, and that is option A. So the answer to this question is option A, 1. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.